Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Actually, I'm headed back to the intersection because I want to look at something. By the way, you see this earth mover here? See how this road goes up their property? Well, there's another one here. Well, they're making another one. See that? They're making a new road. Oh, there's already a mailbox there. Yeah! Somebody built a house way back. So that's their right of way. Got a lot of those in the country. Oh, there's a big hauler going. Here comes another one. We're almost there. Hang on. I just came from the landfill. And as I was coming back, I noticed something. So I thought I would get nosy. Isn't that a beautiful view? This is the Piedmont. Piedmont in North Carolina. Okay. I'm going to pull off here. Now, first of all, can you see that board between the two trees? So you can tell that a lot of people use this as some kind of rest stop. Okay, there you go. Now, hang on. I gotta get my camera going. And you can see some of the other traffic. Now let's see if the camera fires up. Okay, it's firing up. All right. Come on, start. Camera's misbehaving. I don't know what's going on. Gotta reboot the camera. Still won't start. Okay, now yesterday I reinserted the SD card. Alright, now I'm going to press the button. Okay, now it's working. So it's reinsert the SD card, micro SD card. New tires, a month ago. See what I mean? See what I mean? You can tell by that. See, somebody cut it to just the right length and they slant nailed it on there. So you can just, it's solid, it's solid. See? See, I'm sitting on it. It's rotting out a little bit, it's been here a few years. But it's still sturdy. It's only rotting out around the edges like me. Okay, so I saw the fiber optic cable, which is what I came to look at, and I noticed there's two hay bales. That's for when they dig something. They got that and that on there. So it's capped. That's the end of the fiber optic cable, taped there. And I can't, oh, there we go. Oh, I see what they do. 5,818 feet. 55,818 feet when this is full. You can tell it's not full. Corning optical cable, 12/2025, that's when it was made. Ultra ALTOS cable with fast access technology. Oh, Yes, when they put some things in the ground and they need to ground it, that's a grounding stake cable. They pound it way in. I got one behind my house. SUWANEE, Georgia. KGP Swanee-DC 3000 Swanee Ridge Court, Est Suite 100, and the total weight is 1376 pounds. That's the shipping information. And there's the end of it again. Okay? I'm just curious to see what it looks like. I'm wondering how many fibers there are in there. You know what? It says it's fiber optic. There's different kinds of fiber optic cables. I think there's a regular double. I'm guessing that there's less than 20 in there. We'll see if we can find the particular cable on the Corning site. All right. I'm ready to get back. Oh, and I didn't bother with those guys. Those are the things they bury in the ground, and you can tell that there's a big one and there's a small one, so it has to do probably with the size of the junction. All right, I'm getting back in the car. Just this old man getting back in the car. All right, I'm back in the car. We got to get out of here now. Yeah. So I'm just nosy. I want to learn as I go. People do things like sell honey here in the proper season time, as an example. So pulling over here into that parking lot is nothing new. Into that rest area in the shade of the trees. I'm just teaching you about the Piedmont of North Carolina by being nosy. Steve AB4L on his way home from the landfill saying see you in 73.